Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode. Just World. Welcome to another episode. Just World Life Analysis. So, today being on the 19th of October. Yeah, yeah, we are almost at the end of the year, man. So, today being on the 19th of October, I will straight live analysis. So, I didn't analyze last week. I was dealing with some things. There are some things I was solving, so I wasn't available for a whole week, man. It is what it is. So for now, we'll go on. Yes, I hope you had a good weekend. I had a very good weekend, a very long one actually. I had a very long one from Friday. It was a national holiday in my country, man. We lost our former prime minister, Sir Raila Amolo Odinga. So it's not good, man. That guy fought for our country, man. But it is what it is. So, well, hope your weekend was good. Hope your weekend is good, man. So, straight to analysis, we are starting with gold. Starting with gold. And before we go straight to gold, I would like to show you something. And after I came back this week, I was playing with some charts, and I decided towards some pairs. So I have added Ethereum. I have added GBP, Swiss franc. Okay, and I discovered there is something known as Bitcoin Gold. I never knew that was there in the chat. I was watching a certain forex trader and I had them mention it. I couldn't believe. I had to look. I had to look for it. So what is not happening with my setup? What is not happening with my setup? So so I looked at it and I'll be monitoring it so closely and it's very good to start trading it. So let's go to gold. Gold, we don't have a setup, we know we are waiting it at 3500 levels. For now, let's call big gold. What I so we are waiting for it here somewhere here. Let me show you. Waiting for it here at 35, 35, 35, 35. Somewhere here, here, here. This is where I'm waiting for it. For now, we leave it. If it comes back, it's okay. But if it's next year, that's when I take a trade on gold. Because told you understand the market, you don't rush. So let's gold, big gold. Okay. The next one is this one. This one. You have UJ. When it comes to UJ, something has changed. Something has changed. I was bullish on UJ, but it has changed. So delete this one. Delete this one. For me, this is what I'm looking for. Go to daily levels. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking to short UJ at these levels. I'm looking to at 151 levels. Yeah, around these levels. So come on, come on. Anywhere within these levels. Actually, a square would be better compared to horizontal. Or rectangle, I mean. So anywhere within these levels. What is not happening with this setup? Now I'm going to post this video that anywhere from there we can short, and from there we can short. So this is what I'm looking for. Has to be very small. Remember, our trade entry is going to be at 1 hour, 4 hour level. So this one. That's what I will be looking at when the market opens. Okay, so that's it. What else? Nothing else. The next one is platinum. Okay, remember we are still waiting for this setup, so we don't need to analyze. As you can see, it's coming back. So no worries. So when it comes to platinum, don't need to analyze anything. Come to German 40. German 40 is what I'm looking at. Where is it? This one. These levels. Looking at these levels. If I get a good confirmation, not sure it's long. If I get a good confirmation, I will long here. Okay, I will long here up to these levels. But that's a very that's a very good rate. Let me see these levels. I know. This stop loss should be somewhere here. So 120 should be somewhere there. So this is what I'll be waiting for. If it gives a good confirmation, if not, I'll wait for another setup here. Let's go here. Wait for another setup at these levels. So another setup here. So this is what I'll be waiting for. I have two setups. Whichever it expects, that's the one we are going to take. Remember, before the market moves, it always gives us confirmations setup. So this is what we'll be looking at. Remember, TP will be the same. TP will be the same. Come on. So TP should be here. It's not happening with this setup. Why? There. Stop loss should be around those areas. Somewhere here. The TP should be here. So it depends with which level we will get confirmations. I don't know if it's my mouse, I don't know if it's the computer, so the TP should be there. So that's what I'm waiting for on German 40. So H4, let me see how it's exactly like that. If it doesn't respect that, wait for it to come these levels and we take a very massive buy. So that's German 40. Let's go to US 30. US 30, it made moves when I was not available. When I was absent, this thing made moves, man. I would have taken along somewhere here, but it's okay. So let's go to daily just for confirmation and getting the right levels. So I will wait for it to come back to these levels, and I can buy. So for now, no need because we don't have a confirmation yet. So let it be. And let's come to BTC Euro. BTC Euro. Remember what happened to BTC last week? This this massive drop, man. This thing liquidated so many people. Even some forex traders, some crypto traders killed themselves. So if we got into this trade, would have lost it because otherwise it will have gone straight to a stop loss. But you know what it is. So yeah, my computer is misbehaving. So my computer is my mouse, but well, it's not good. It's not good. So for now, let me show you what I'm trying to analyze as quick as possible, quickly as possible. So you can see Europe. I'll be waiting for it to come to these levels, man. If it comes to these levels, then I can come on. That's what I hear professionals call it technical issues. So I'll be looking for these levels. Anywhere from these zones. If it comes back to these zones, I will be very happy. Yes, I needed to confirm that. So if it comes to these zones, it gives me a setup. I'll be taking a very beautiful long here. And remember, note keywords if it gives us a setup, not when it comes to this level. So that will be a very good trade. So if it comes to those levels, we'll take a long there. We'll take a long there. So when it comes to BTC Euro, we wait for it to come back here, give us confirmations, and we take it. So Euro USD, I'm waiting for total and like close it. Should close it for so that I can see that set. Today my today my computer is misbehaving, man. If I'm not wrong. We will work the way it wants, man. We will work the way it wants. So that's on the TV. This one, I will be waiting for it to come back to this level. So very long also. It's very long. It's going to be a very beautiful trade. Because my TP should be in this level in this previous. So I should edit this. So come on. So there. That's where our TP should be. Then this resistance. The far going to be very good if it gives us a confirmation. So let's wait and see. That's eurusd already done. So we got the next, which is oil. Oil. My previous analysis, I said I was short on oil. Look how beautiful it's going, man. Miss that entry, if I'm not wrong. It was it. So come to Ethereum. Ethereum. Remember, these are new pairs that we are going to be trading. I've been observing for a while and I decided to add them. So when it comes to Ethereum, I'm bullish on Ethereum, depending on what the chart is saying. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. So very bullish on Ethereum. So these are the levels that I'm looking at. Within these levels. H4. Oh, yeah. Remember, whenever whenever you are drawing your levels, be very careful with both the high time frame and short and low time frames, high and low time frames, because if you draw them wrongly, you will get a very different setup. Okay, you will get a very different setup. So be very careful whenever you are drawing these support and resistance levels or trend line levels, because they can determine if you are going to be profitable or not. So for me, I have developed a system on how to draw them more, both in high and low time frames and small time frames. So yes, so be very careful. That's why I'm going to both time frames, man. High and small time frames or low time frames, wherever you got. So this is what I'll be looking at on Ethereum. I'll be waiting for this beautiful long that allow. So then what else am I looking at? Oh, this one. gbpjpy. I'm also bullish on this one. Yes, I'm bullish on this one. Looking at these levels. So this what is not happening? What is not happening? I'm trading with this computer today. Want to make crazy, but it's okay. I'm going to work with it the week want to work. No, I'm going to operate with it the week once. So I'll be looking at these levels. There's one. So from these levels, I'll be waiting for longs. And if you go to small time frame, you will understand why I'm saying that. Very nice. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Only the so I'm trading to be careful on both small and high time frames, lower time frames. So I'll be waiting for buys here. It will be very beautiful. So I'll be targeting this resistance level here. This is somewhere there. So that's what I'll be looking for. That's what I will be looking for. GBPC check. So BTC gold, I don't have a setup yet. I'll just be observing it. I'd like to know how volatile it is. I would like to know if it's going to respect our structure. So, but it seems okay. It seems okay. And I don't know if my broker has it. So I'm just looking at it at trading view. But so I think that's enough for today. I won't do too much. This computer is giving me a headache. And today it has decided it's going to behave the way it wants, not the way I want. So for now, it's okay. I don't think we have very high impact news, and if there will be, I will update you the week after we take a setup. So as you can see, this week is a very good week. We have very many setups. Even if we get two setups, I won't complain. I'll be okay. But for now, I'm out. Just one out. Let's have a profitable week. Let's have fun with the charts. And, we will have a profitable week. It's that's all out.